Greetings. I'm Dawn Metheny, Executive Director of Veriditas.
And I'm Lauren Artress. I'm the founder of Veriditas. And we're here to thank you for your generosity to Veriditas this year. It keeps us moving forward. It supports our programs. And you're part of a large community. And we are very deeply grateful to every one of you who's donated and contributed to us this year.
And thank you for your participation in our programs over the last year. We're delighted that you've been able to support us. And if you haven't yet made a year-end donation for our campaign, please use the donate button below. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thank you so much.